To download the Velox app, simply search for Velox Softphone on your App Store or Play Store apps. Then download the installer. Then click Open to install the app. So once the app launches, you put in your username, which is the 4-digit extension number at your domain. This is provided to you by your Velox administrator, as well as the password. The password is system generated by Velox, so you may want to turn on or enable Remember Login and Auto Login so you don't have to worry about that in the future. Click on Login to enter the app. Make sure you click OK to allow Velox access to all the settings that's required for it to work. Once done, you are ready to make calls and take calls on your Velox app. To dial an extension number, simply dial the 4-digit extension number, then click on the green call button. This is the on-call screen. On the top left corner of the screen is a signal quality indicator. This may show either good, fair, or poor, describing the speed and bandwidth of the internet connection with respect to the call. On the top right corner is a security indicator showing that the call is encrypted and secured. The different options during a call are also visible. You can mute yourself, switch to keypad for input, transfer the call to speaker mode, put the current call on hold, add another call to create a three-way conference, or pressing the More button opens additional options like transfer the call. To end the call, simply press on the red End Call button. To call locally in Singapore, simply dial the 8-digit telephone number. To call internationally, dial the country code, followed by the area code, then the telephone number. There is no need for plus signs or zeros. Only dial country code, area code, and telephone number. So that's it for the basic use of the Velox smartphone app. If you have any questions or concerns, do contact your Velox administrator. Thank you.